Is coinblaz.com the next big crypto breakthrough or just another cleverly disguised trap for unsuspecting investors? At first glance, the platform presents itself as a promising place to buy, sell, and trade popular cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Coin, wrapped in a sleek interface and bold claims of advanced security and legitimacy. But when you start peeling back the layers, the truth becomes much more concerning. Coinblaz advertises top-tier security standards mentioning ISO certifications, SOC2 compliance, and PCI DSS protocols, but offers absolutely no documentation or third-party validation to support any of those claims. Even more troubling, the domain was only registered on June 14, 2025, making it a brand new website with no history or track record to back its promises. There's no sign of a real user base, no social media presence, no active community, no authentic reviews, and zero Trustpilot ratings, which is extremely rare for a legit crypto platform. The overall website design looks oddly familiar, and after closer inspection, several elements appear to be copied directly from scam sites like Yak Token and Todexcoin, both of which have been exposed for fraudulent activity. Coinblaz also name-drops major venture capital firms like Andreessen Horowitz and Paradigm to create an illusion of credibility, but those claims are easily debunked and most likely fake. Even Insight.com hasn't flagged the site yet, which might be due to how new it is, but every sign from the shady content and fake partnerships to the lack of transparency points toward it being a very risky and possibly malicious platform. This review isn't meant to tell you it's definitely a scam, but based on what's been uncovered, it's clear coinblaz.com raises far too many red flags to be trusted blindly.